NASA's ramping up efforts to protect Earth from a head-on collision with an asteroid. The space agency recently announced it plans to develop a new asteroid-hunting space telescope to detect ones that are potentially dangerous, which will team up with NASA's DART mission in their planetary defense program. The goal for the new telescope is to find 90% of asteroids wider than about 460 feet that have a chance of colliding with Earth within 10 years. The Planetary Society says an impact of that size could devastate an entire country. Even a 160-foot wide asteroid could knock out a city. They say NASA's new space-based telescope will help find the chances of objects that size colliding with Earth within 100 years. But it's not NASA's first. It's following in the footsteps of asteroid hunter NEOWISE, a mission expected to come to an end next summer. They haven't named the new telescope yet, but it'll use an infrared detector to track heat signatures of small near-Earth asteroids. It'll cost up to $600 million, and they hope to launch the telescope as soon as 2024.